Today I want to show you how to add bots to a Discord server. Now you can add various bots to your Discord server. So the first thing you want to do is not forget your password. Once you've tried 1,000 times to input your password and your pride finally allows you to hit the forgot password button, you can head over to top.gg. Here you can find all kinds of apps and bots for your Discord server. Once you've found one you like, simply hit invite. This will prompt Discord to open and you will have to allow certain permissions and select which server you want to add the bot to. I don't trust this app to solve a mystery with Scooby and the gang, so I'll leave that unchecked and hit continue. There are a few more permissions to allow access to certain things with Discord. Hit authorize and then hit go to server. That's mission complete. The alternative way to do this, if you perhaps know what bot or app you are looking for, is simply to right click on your server profile icon. Go to server settings and hit app directory. From there you can just search for the name of the app. In this case it's Matchbox. When it pops up, click on it and hit add to server, and then it's the same process as before. So each bot has its own requirements and text or voice prompts. So for Matchbox, it's as simple as typing comma, play, and the name of the song you want playing. Let's play Bloodsport by Rally Ritchie. There we go. Now we can skip, pause, cue, more, and so forth. There we have it. Now you know how to add a bot to your Discord server. Thanks for watching the video. Your support is greatly appreciated. And for more videos like this, hit like and subscribe and let us know what you would like us to talk about in future videos. And while you're doing that, have an absolutely amazing day.